So the key to our Jeep developed a giant hole in it. Nice. Thank you, eBay. Now it doesn't have the correct buttons because it's got too many. But we're going to swap the guts from that one into this one. Guess we'll start by opening them up. So we'll take out the metal key, and then there's a spot here you can put the key in, or a screwdriver, and twist to get it apart. There we go. So we have a battery and a board. Looks like the board is just held in with a little clip here, but we have a small flathead screwdriver. Let's see if we get in there and take it out. We're gonna have to go a little smaller, I think. Okay, with a smaller screwdriver, we can get in there a bit better. I definitely don't want to break this, but so we'll gently lift around the edge and see if we can get it out that way. Just that little, there it comes, a little plastic peg down the bottom. There we go. Just kind of broken it off that little bit. Board is out. So you can see this is the provisions for buttons, but they're just not on here because our base model only has 2. All right, let's get the new key. And we'll just put that in its place and snap that bottom one in. A looser fit. I don't know if we can use our old back, because that's got the Jeep on it, where that one doesn't. I guess it doesn't matter, but that's looks a bit better. I think we'll go with the new one. Pop out the battery. Push it together. There we go, and our old key fits in there nicely. Okay. And I can test it, and I can hear the car in the driveway. The door's opening. There we go. So we've taken our old broken case and replaced it with a nice, fresh, new one. Easy. That didn't take long at all. What is that? 3 minutes, 4 minutes?